Well, it's all fixed for now. Can't really see because this camera don't focus in. It looks kind of clunky, but I'm going to grind all that down and put a little bracing in there. Our awesome bolts that hold the wheels on. Random spark plug here. I'm not telling you what the purpose of that spark plug is. Yep. Too good of a jack just to let a little tiny break like that stop it. What are you uhing about? No. What are you doing? Trying to keep that from sliding out? No. And you what?
Find it.
Is it like little and black?
Yes. Black plastic.
Yes. But I don't know where it is. I've seen it, but I have no idea where it went.
I need it.
Ugh. Well, let me go look for it then.
He has a generous compensation committee, which is part of the Emerson, board of directors. That's quite possible. That's quite possible. 314-436-7900, 800-925-1120. A lot of people will begrudge him for
Yeah.
$2 million.
Cass, quit eating the damn weld.
$25 million.
What a dork.